Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new Juki sewing machine. So this is the Juki TL-2010Q, and this is a semi-industrial machine. And the reason that I got it is to speed up my production when I'm making certain items. My current Singer Stylist sewing machine, it stitches, I want to say 850, 860 max stitches per minute. This machine stitches 1500 stitches per minute. So that is going to almost double what my current sewing machine does. And I also want to give a huge shout out to Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse in Houston. When I reached out to them on chat, initially I was at work and I had to leave the chat, so I wasn't able to speak to them. They called me back the next morning, answered all my questions, helped me decide which machine would be best for me or which one that I needed, because there are 3 different models in the Juki TL series. And so their customer service was just amazing. And this video is not sponsored. I'm not an affiliate. I'm just letting you know that their service was really good. They have sewing machines, embroidery machines, and supplies. And I'll have them linked below, so definitely feel free to check out their website. Reach out to them with any questions. They are very helpful. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get this all open and unboxed, so you can see what the machine looks like. So let me go ahead and get this opened up. Okay, so I have the box on the floor, got everything open. So I'm gonna just be putting everything out on the table as I pull it out the box. So this is the instruction manual. This is the knee lever. And another nice thing I really liked about the feature on this machine with your presser foot, of course, if you press the top of it, it'll make your machine, start going. But there's also a heel press, and when you press it with your heel, it'll automatically cut your thread, your upper and your lower thread. So that's a nice feature that I liked about the machine as well. Power cord, and all of the accessories that go with the machine. We'll go through that in just one moment. And then I'm gonna get my husband to help me take this out because this thing is kind of heavy, but I can also take this out. This is the dust cover, and I'll take this stuff out in just a minute. Let me go grab my husband, get this machine out, and I'll be right back. All right, so got the machine out of the box, and I did also realize there was another smaller box inside of that one. So let's see what this is. Oh, this is the table that extends. So, whoa, that's what that is. Let me get that out the way. I'm gonna just set this back here for now. All right, so let's get all the plastic off. And this machine is made of metal. Like you could tell, it's made of metal. It's way heavier than my Singer machine. And this is what she's looking like. So let's go ahead and get this tape off of here, and then I'll show you the accessories it comes with. And then of course I'm gonna have to go through and figure out how to get this thing threaded, which it looks pretty standard. There's a tension dial up top. This is for your stitch length, your to cut your thread. This is for your needle up and down. Here is your reverse. And this is the main reason why I wanted this particular model of the TL series for Juki, or for this machine is because the speed control. So this machine does have speed control. The model before this one does not. This model and the model above this one has that feature. So that was the huge thing for me, that speed control for this one. And so that is how she's looking. There is a thread spool stand here, and they do have this little cap on here, and that's so you can use the larger cones of thread, or you can use the regular size cones, which I thought was really, really nice. And I'm gonna move some of this stuff over and move the machine over here. All right, so again, the power cord, we have our knee lift, we have our presser foot. And for the knee lift, that'll actually go here in the front. So you would put it in there, and that way you can lift your presser foot up and down with this. That's what the knee lifter is for. Kind of just taking out everything as I go, because I will have this machine set up and going today. Today, so I can start doing some test stitches and things like that, so I can get comfortable with the machine. And then of course your instructions, and then your warranty card. You definitely want to make sure you fill out your warranty card, so if anything happens with your machine, you'll be covered. And the extension table, which is back there, I'll bring that up in just a minute. Now this is the dust cover. So let me get this out. And actually I might end up putting that right back in that plastic. This is what it looks like with the handle, or opening for your handle on top. And it's like, I don't want to say maybe cardboard or something like that, but it has like a PU leather or PU vinyl type of feel to it. So that is that. And yeah, I'm gonna keep it in here for now. When I'm not using the machine, I'll put it over it then, and actually I just ripped it, so looks like I'm gonna be keeping it out. All right, so then it does come with oil. This machine does need to be oiled. There are some holes here on the top of the machine here. There's one here, there's one here where you will oil it. There's some others up top, things like that, so you could keep the machine oiled and working like new. Let's see, screwdriver, your different presser feet, some organ needles, which is nice, a brush. So you got 1, 2, 3. And then the top for your thread, and some metal bobbins, as well as this little tool, this little like screwdriver for the harder, smaller areas where you can't use the larger screwdriver, and then 4 metal bobbins. And the thing about this machine is that the bobbin case is on the side here. It's not a drop-in bobbin. So I do like that feature, because if your bobbin runs out, you don't have to necessarily move whatever it is that you're working on off of the machine. You could just lift this up, change your bobbin, and keep going. And also, if you need to use the bobbin winder, you can still continue to sew while it is winding your bobbin. So I also like that feature as well about this machine. And so that is all the accessories that the machine comes with. So it comes with everything that you need right out the box. And then of course I'm gonna go through the manual, so I'll have a really good overview of the machine. And I'll actually be doing a tutorial, more in-depth tutorial, showing you more about the machine as I learn the machine and start using it more. I'll probably be doing some tutorials sewing with it, making different items as well. So you'll be able to see how the machine works and runs. And then last but not least, the extension table. And I do like that the extension table does have a ruler on there. That is really nice. And so you would just let the legs down and then you'll just slide it on there to have extended room or more space to sew. And so you would just put that on there and you'll be good to go. Just like that. So it gives you that extra sewing area that you may or may not need. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually get this set up in my other room, my sewing room, and I will be doing some more tutorials. And okay, so this also has a place on here, that's what I was looking for, where you can actually put the this here knee lift on if you're not using it. I'm not sure how to put it on here yet, but yeah, we'll figure that out later. So if you're not using it, you can attach it underneath the table so it's out the way or you don't misplace it and everything's all in one place. So that was today's video. Just wanted to do a unboxing, say thank you to Sewing and Vacuum Warehouse Houston for your great customer service. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll definitely be purchasing from them again. I'll have them again linked below so you can check them out, see what all they have to offer. They do have some sales going on their website on a lot of their machines, their sergers, their sewing machines, as well as their embroidery machines. So definitely check them out. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this all set up and I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching today's quick tutorial.